Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you aren't losing the weight or able to keep the weight off, and after that we have 5 tips on how to help you right away. So starting with reason number 1 is the labels are lying to you. As you know, sugar isn't good for you and companies know that, so now they're labeling things as sugar free when they're not. They're just putting alcohol sugars in there, or they're just changing the name. And so reason number 2 is your body fights change. It doesn't like changing. It just wants to survive. When you stay the same, it knows you'll survive there. If you change, it doesn't know that for sure, because 10,000 years ago, if that happened, you might have died. So every time you lose weight, your body will fight against you. So reason number 3 is the move more, eat less movement just doesn't work. It has been going on for 50 plus years with no to minimal success, because a calorie is not a calorie and your body is not a calculator. So what you eat matters more than how much you eat. Because eventually if you eat very healthy, you can't eat too much. Reason number 4 is consistency. If you haven't looked the same in 10 years, how do you expect to look that way in 1 year? Or 3 months or 1 month? It takes time to transform back to where you were at years ago. And finally, reason number 5 is something you probably haven't heard of or not too much, is insulin resistance. Insulin is the main hormone that stores fat, and insulin resistance is what keeps insulin high. So all day your body is better and better at storing fat because your insulin is always staying high. All right, now for what you're here for is the 5 tips to help you right away. And the first one is just understanding that your body doesn't want to change. It takes time to do that. Number 2 is eating whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, meats, vegetarian option, vegan options, whatever it is. If it's whole food, it's very healthy for you. And I know that there's sugars and sweets and all that, and you can have that during celebrations, but like you don't need to just order it on a Tuesday because it's a Tuesday. Save it for birthday parties, celebrations, things that matter to you. And number 3, don't count calories. What you eat is more important than how much. And like I said, if you have a whole big thing, like even a salad, as just an example, if you have a whole salad that's 300 calories versus 300 calories of chips, the volume is just so much different that you're not going to be able to overeat when you eat a lot of vegetables, fruits, and high quality foods. And number 4 is just give yourself time. Understand that, again, it's not going to be like a 1-month transformation. It might be if you didn't do it that long, but if you've been doing this for years, it's going to be hard to come back. And also while you're doing that, just enjoy the little accomplishments, even if that's half a pound, or even if that's you notice it inches off of your waistline, or you just feel better. Sometimes before you have to start feeling better before you start looking better. And then tip number 5 is insulin is raised when you eat. So try to really cut out those snacks and focus on 2 to 3 meals a day so your insulin will stay lower and not always have to raise up and down every time you eat. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you did, check out my workout videos when you work out next. And next week, Wednesday, I will be posting a video all about insulin resistance to help you guys out. All right, have a good day and thank you for watching.